Alright everybody, welcome back. Today I'm cooking with Corey chicken saltimbocca with a brown butter sage sauce. It's going to be delicious. Let's hit our ingredients quick. Prosciutto, whatever you get, it's delicious. I already opened it because I had to have some pepper flakes, some kosher salt, some fresh cracked pepper, chicken breast, and we're going to cut that down into strips, some butter, salted, unsalted, whatever, and some sage. And I just wanted to give a big shout out to A Street Market here in Lincoln. I know I am a meat manager for B&R stores and Russ's and Super Savers, but I go to this store on my days off. It's close, it's convenient, and it's fast. And I do use a lot of their ingredients in my videos, but got a sticker from them today, so hey, if you're in Lincoln, stop by A Street Market. Alright, let's get this cook going on next. Alright, let's start out with our chicken breast, which we got here. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm going to take the tail off that because I can. I don't want to deal with it. 3 pieces, so I'm going to go like this and then like this. Put your hand on top of it. Now be careful when you're doing this. Don't be cutting yourself and then give me a message that you cut your thumb off. Just like that. Boom. 1 piece. Got our second piece down here. Go through that. Just like so. And there we got it. Alright, let's put some prosciutto and sage and deliciousness on this next. Alright, we've got our chicken breast here split out into equally parts. You know, we used 1 breast, we did 2 cuts, we got 3 pieces. You can do this how you want. You could actually just do the breast as a whole. We're going to give it just a little bit of pepper. Fresh cracked pepper on there. And no salt because this prosciutto is very, very salty. So, and it's delicious, by the way. And we will do this to each one. We'll give them, let's say, 3 leaves. 3 leaves to each one is what we're going to do. That's basically what we're going to do here. Just how we cover them up, like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. I guess you could like, you know, go, woo, be crazy fancy with it, but no. That on there, and that's the start. Okay, I'm going to show you the way I wrap these in prosciutto. There's many different ways. It's not rocket science. It's, you know, just how you want to deal with it. Prosciutto is going to come very thinly sliced, and it's really hard to deal with. And thank gosh, the ones I bought today have that between them all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that, I'm going to put him over the top, because this is going to be my side, my side that I, you know, for presentation. Do like that. I'm going to pull him under there. Like so, and then we're going to grab 1 more piece. If I can, maybe. We'll see here. Oh, we got one. I think so. 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 Yep. Alright. Got 1 more piece here. Pull them off like that. And then we're going to do this way with it. We're just going to put them right in the middle like that. Make sure it's all even there. And we're just going to tuck him back under. And tuck this other side back under. There, we got it. Alright, tuck him under. I'm going to do the other 2. We're going to get these in the pan next. Alright, I'm starting to feel the heat off that pan a little bit, so I think we're pretty close to there. We're going to hit this with a little bit of oil. Just a little. Your choice, doesn't matter. Alright, there we go. And we got our 3 of our delicious looking prosciutto wrapped chicken breast with sage, chicken saltimbocca. We'll put him down the middle. And obviously you can tell that's our back side. So we're going presentation side down first. So we'll go with second. And we will go with our 3rd. Presentation side down. We will hit those with some fresh cracked pepper. So this side, I'm going to hit just with a little salt just to get into those nooks and crannies of that chicken that was not wrapped with the prosciutto. Alright, now we're looking for a beautiful, delicious looking, nice brown crust on this. Alright, we're about 6 minutes into this cooking process, and you can see our chicken is starting to turn color over here. This means we need to flip, which means our bottom side should be right spot on, and that prosciutto is now hugging our chicken. So we can take this, look at that. I mean, come on. Look at that. Sage under there. Oh, lordy. Obviously the sides aren't as good as our top, but there we go. Another 2 minutes on this side. That chicken is done. We will make our sage brown butter sauce. Ooh, plate. Alright, our chicken is done. We're going to pull her out. Pull our 3 pieces of prosciutto wrapped chicken with sage in there. We do got a lot of oil in that pan that I'm going to get rid of with paper towels. Or most of it. Just like so. Because it's a butter sauce, not an oil sauce, so just get the majority of it out. Half a stick of butter will go in. Let's get a half stick of butter in there right now. Alright, that butter is going, and that butter is going to melt. And while that butter is melting, we're going to add some stuff. We're going to add 6 leaves of sage that I chiffonade or cut into strips, whatever you want to call it. That'll go into the equation. A pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and like a half a pinch of some good old 4-blend pepper flake, or whatever pepper flake you got will work. Now what we're going to do, we're going to let these guys get to know each other, get to liking each other, get into sizzle. We're going to take that to where it's a brown butter, not a burnt butter, not a regular butter, but a brown butter to get that nutty flavor out of it. It goes really good with that sage. It'll go really good with our chicken saltimbocca. Alright, so now we wait. Alright, we're still going over like medium heat. You could blast this and get done sooner, but you run a big chance of like really burning your butter. So I like to take it up medium, high heat. You can see the butter solids there, that white there. That's going to turn into delicious brownness here in a little bit, which will really make our sage brown butter sauce. Sage brown butter sauce. All right, we'll continue. All right, these are close. See in the bottom of this, I don't know if you can see it, but in the bottom, all that brownness down there. Right where we need to be. Our delicious sage is getting crispy. And I'm gonna let this go. No, I'm not. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna call this good. What you wanna do, when you're doing this, have a vessel nearby so you can take this off the heat, which I am doing right now. And I am pouring it into a vessel so it stops cooking, because you don't want it to burn. So there we go. I'll get the goodies out of there and we'll plate. All right, time to build our chicken saltimbocca. Mashed potatoes. Right there. In the middle. Just, you know, mashed potatoes are delicious. All right, mashed potatoes are standing high. Our chicken saltimbocca. Look at that. Oh my lordy Nelly. All right, let's do one there. One there. Push down a little. Oh, this is a good looking piece. Let's put him there. And one there. We're going to make it stand nice and tall. Just, oh, because we can. We can do that. All right. Now, our sage brown butter sauce needs to go on to the equation. Let's give it a nice stir. 1, 2, 3 good tablespoons over it. Get one around it. There you got it. Chicken Saltimbocca with sage brown butter sauce. I'll tell you what, it's a winner chicken dinner. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cook with Corn on YouTube. We'll see you next week.